This question is from NEET 2017 paper code Y, question number 139. Question is two polarites PA and PB are placed with their axes perpendicular to each other. Unpolarized light I0 is incident on P1. A third polarite P3 is kept in between P1 and P2 such that it axis makes an angle of 45 degree with that of P1. The intensity of transmitted light through P2 is, right? So in this question we have two polarites, let's say like this, and we have a one polarite here. One is vertical, so other has to be horizontal, right? And we have a third polarite placed here like this. And this axis is this angle between the axis is given to us, that is 45 degree, right? Let's say, see, I0 is going to incident on this. This is P1, this is P2, this is P3, right? Now what's the intensity that we are going to get here? Let's say that is I1, here we are getting I2, and here we are getting I3. So I3 we have to find out that what is the I3. Okay, if you talk about I1, we can easily understand that I1 is I0 by 2. So that we got I0 by 2. Now I0 by 2 is going to pass through this P3, right? And the output is I2. So I2 will be what? I2 will be basically this intensity I0 by 2 into cos square theta, and theta is 45 degree. So this is cos square 45 degree. That will be how much? I0 by 2 into 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2. That will give us I0 by 4. That means this we got I0 by 4, right? Now again this P3, if you will rotate P3 by 45 degree, you will get P2. That means theta here is 45 degree again, right? So this I3 that we have to find out, that will be what? This I0 by 4 intensity which is going to pass through this cos square 45 degree. So this is I0 by 4 into 1 by root 2 square, which is 1 by 2. So I3 that we are going to get is I3 is I0 by 4 into 2 is I0 by 8. So the final, this I3 that we got is I0 by 8. So which option is correct? Option 2 is the correct one. Okay, thank you.